Now we're going to do a little compare and contrast on the three therapeutic approaches that I've discussed. Narrative and collaborative therapy stress the importance of power and value client-therapist relationships and systems where they are both equal instead of there being a hierarchy. Importance on client-therapist relationships. Narrative and collaborative therapy, again, stress the importance of the relationship, but solution-focused do not put too much emphasis on it. All the theories are respectful and transparent with their clients. Clients who are dealing with the dominant narratives. Narrative therapy wants their clients to let go of constraining dominant narratives, whereas collaborative therapists want to hear more about the dominant narrative because they feel it has importance. And because they feel it has importance, they want to dig a little deeper on figuring out what's going on because they care to hear about it. Whereas solution-focused therapists do not feel the dominant narrative that is holding the client back is relevant enough to place time and energy on it because they're taking from valuable time. The therapist's expertise. Collaborative therapists view their clients as the experts and come to the sessions with a not-knowing position. Narrative therapists know the client knows their lives better, but they as their therapist is the expert with helping the client reach their preferred stories. Solution-focused therapists are the experts helping the client create strategies in order to reach their goal. Goals at the end of therapy. Collaborative therapists want the clients to feel as if they are walking through their therapy experience together. Wherever they end up at the end of the session is unbeknownst to both of them. Throughout their dialogue, they are creating new meanings to things, and they're exploring these things together. Narrative therapists have the goal in mind and use the sessions in order to lead the client to their preferred story, where they're able to live their life in a positive way. Solution-focused therapists want the client to have a specific goal for the behavior and will make sure the client stays on the right track in order to get there. Direction of the sessions. For narrative and solution-focused therapists, they make sure there's a direction the sessions are going. They ask questions that would direct the clients in a certain way, because they want to make sure they find their preferred story and solutions to their problem. Whereas collaborative therapists are known to just jump around, depending on what the client wants to discuss, will depend on where the session goes.